Providing an ideal blend of urban activity and comfortable living, this large multifamily home has been beautifully updated throughout. With a trio of 3-bedroom units and parking for 6 cars, this property affords a magnificent opportunity for the savvy investor. The first and second floor units each showcase an open concept design with plenty of bright windows flooding the entire space with natural light. The kitchens have been updated with crisp white custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops, including a large center island with breakfast bar. The open living and dining rooms provide an ideal flow and ample space for hosting company. Each of these units includes 3 well-proportioned bedrooms, a newly remodeled full bath with a tile shower, and walkout access to their own deck. The upper-level unit has been renovated with many of the same finishes, including a new kitchen with custom cabinetry and granite counters. This floor also includes 3 lovely bedrooms and a new full bath with a marble tile shower. Located in the eclectic west side of Providence, a wealth of unique culture and cuisine are just minutes away, including 7 Stars Bakery, OG's Trailer Park, and the Avery. Less than 5 miles away is Patuxent Village, full of boutiques, marinas, and other coastal charms. Enjoy all the attractions of downtown Providence, including the dazzle of Waterfire, the latest in fine dining, and award-winning live theater. Easy access to the highway and the commuter rail allows for convenient travel to Boston, New York, and beyond. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Ramiro and Sizo at area code 646-275-4542.